This cake plus.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you on how to store your fondant, and the items you need is your already prepared fondant, which I have here, your vegetable shortening, an airtight container, and a Ziplock bag. So let's get started. Just take a bit of the vegetable shortening, rub it on your palm and roll it very well on your fondant. Roll it very well on your fondant. The essence of applying the vegetable shortening is to keep it moist so that it will remain moist, and also prevent air from getting into it. Once you're done with that, open your Ziplock bag, put it there, lock it up, store it in an airtight container. That's it. And put it in your fridge. Please. This can stay for months. Why is this necessary? It is necessary because it will save you a lot of stress. Rather than preparing your fondant same day you're covering the cake, so you can prepare your fondant, store it, and use it whenever you want to use it. That's exactly how I use my fondant, to save myself from all the stress. Thank you for watching.